Hi everyone, this is Saimesh. This is my channel. My channel name is Know About Our History. In this channel, I will tell about our Indian history. First, we will learn about what is the history of India. India is a land of an ancient civilization with cities and villages, cultivated fields, and great works of art dating back 4,000 years. India's high population density and variety of social, economic, and cultural configurations are the products of a long process of regional expansion. In the last decade of the 20th century, such expansion has led to the rapid erosion of India's forest and wildland rest areas in the face of ever increasing demands for resources and gigantic population pressures. India's population is projected to exceed 1 billion by the 21st century. Oh. Such problems are a relatively recent phenomenon. Rhinoceros inhabited the North Indian plains as the 16th century historical records and the literature of earlier periods revealed the motif of the forest. Everywhere, stories of the merchant caravans typically include travel through long stretches of jungle inhabited by wild beasts and strange people. Royal adventures usually included by a hunting expedition and meetings with unusual beings. In the Mahabharata and Ramayana, early epics that reflect life in India before 1000 BC and 5500 BC, respectively. The forest begins the age of the city, and the heroes regularly spend periods of exile wandering far from civilization before returning to rid the world of evil. The formalical rituals of Vedas also reflect attempts to create a regulated geometric space from the raw products of nature. The country past serves as a reminder that India today, what its overcrowding and scramble for material gain, its poverty and outstanding intellectual accomplishment is a society in constant state. How human beings, mostly herbal folk, have within a period of 200 generations turned the wilderness into one of the most complicated society in the world. Oh, this is amazing. The process began in the northwest in the 3rd millennium BC with the Indus Valley of Harappan civilization when an agricultural economy gave rise to extensive urbanization and long distance trade. The second stage occurred during the 1st millennium BC when the Ganga Yamuna river basin and several southern river deltas expansion and population growth leading to the rebirth of cities, trade and sophisticated urban culture. Oh, now the cities are formed. By the 7th century AD, a dozen core regions based on the access to irrigation supported kingdoms became tied to a pan-Indian culture, tradition, and participated in increasing cross-cultural ties with other parts of Asia and the Middle East. India's inclusion within a global trading economy after the 13th century culminated in the arrival of Portuguese explorers, traders, and missionaries beginning in 1498. All through there were ebbs and flows in the pattern. The overall tendency was for peasants, cultivators, and their overlords to expand agriculture and animal husbandry into new ecological zones and to push hunting and gathering societies further into the hills. This is the first and the few lines of our Indian history. Please subscribe to my channel, know about our history. In the next video, I will tell about something interesting.